I am very confused. I really want to know about the difference between FRM and CFA because there are many people around me who are correlating them or trying to make me feel like they both are same. So what is the scenario? I'm really confused. If you're also one of them, please do watch it till the end because I'm going to decode it for you. And it's a very simple difference, yet many people fail to understand it.
So unfortunately, the problem with our society is that we are trained in a way, we are told that the more the better, the more the quantity the better. So more certifications, the more better it is. So everybody is confused. Okay, if we should we do CFA as well, FRM as well, ACCA as well, CA as well, and so on. Now, of course, that is not true. That is not correct because you're not understanding the difference between what you actually want and what you're actually doing. Okay, what you are going to do in the long term and what you are actually doing now. You need to understand the difference between the both. You need to work on it according to your long term objective.
To assess what you want, there are just two basic questions you'll ask to yourself as a finance student or someone in this field. First one is whether you're willing to be managing someone's asset and trying to initiate more returns for them. Okay, whether it is more profits or lesser risk or whatever. And second question is to what level are you going to increase or decrease or diversify the risk or whatever you're going to do for them? How exactly you're going to manage the risk for them? These two questions are important because these two questions are the one which will help you to decide whether you have to go for CFA or FRM respectively. So of course CFA syllabus covers mainly around the equity investments, how to value them, bonds, securities, derivatives, how to value each of them, how to do the modeling, how to diversify returns for various investors, how to make sure we even have some elements of risk analysis and make sure that the risk is diversified and it is limited and at the same time they get highest returns. So while for FRM we are going one step ahead, more deep into how to quantify risk, assess risks, the mathematics behind it, lots of distributions, more knowledge, more in-depth knowledge on that. Of course that is not really applied in real life, but that is how it is. And we also look into various regulations, Basel, ISO 31000, CO, COSO framework and all that, just to make sure that we are complying with regulations. There's no risks in terms of regulations, and at the same time our capital is also enough, and we have enough capital for any situation. The reason behind such a massive difference between the fees is because CFA is more broad in level while FRM is more into the risk management side and the risk assessment side, quantifying side. So of course it's a specific spectrum we are covering here, while for CFA it is not the same. If you found this useful, please do share with somebody else who needs to know about the difference and follow for more such reels. Okay, bye.